all. Today we are going to discuss the new chapter, Unit 12, Processing and Presenting Data. In this chapter, the first two topics are selecting statistics, selecting, drawing and interpreting graphs. You are already familiar with using statistical calculation. This includes averages such as mean, median, mode and range. You know how to calculate mean, median, mode and range. No need to explain more. Selecting, drawing and interpreting graphs. You are already familiar with many different types of graphs for displaying data. For example, frequency diagram, histogram, line graph, pie chart, etc. etc. When presented with a set of data, it is important to be able to select which type of graph to use to display the data as clearly as possible. The decision will depend on the type and quantity of the data. When you get a data, you know which type of graph would be the most appropriate to display the data. You can plot the graph. I'm not going to give you more about these topics. Now we are going to discuss about the new topic, scatter graphs and correlation. What is scatter graph? Scatter, gra scatter graph is also known as correlation chart. Correlation means the relationship between the two sets of data. Scatter graph useful to see if there is a correlation between two sets of data. The two sets of data are collected, each pair of values then form a coordinates of a point which is plotted on a graph. There are several types of correlation depending on the arrangement of the points plotted on the scatter graph. Scatter graph shows positive or negative correlation between two variables. If the plotted points are distributed from lower left corner to upper right corner, then it is positive correlation. If the plotted points are distributed from upper left corner to the lower right corner, then it is negative correlation. Now you can see here different types of correlation. First one, strong positive correlation. Second one, weak positive correlation. Third one, no correlation. Fourth one, strong negative correlation. Fifth one, weak negative correlation. Strong positive correlation. What is strong positive correlation? You can see here, positive correlation means the plotted points are distributed from lower left corner to the upper right corner, and the points lie very close to the line to the best fit. As the values of x increases, the values of y increases. Weak positive correlation. There is direction to the way the points are lying. They are not tightly packed around the line of best fit. As the values of x increases, the values of y slightly increase but does not resemble a straight line. No correlation. You can see here there is no pattern in the way the points are lying. There is no correlation between the variables x and y. As a result, there can be no line of best fit. Strong negative correlation. Negative correlation means the plotted points are distributed from upper left to the lower right. The points lie close to the line of best fit. As the values of x increases, the values of y decreases. Strong, weak negative correlation. There is a direction to the way the points are lying, but they are not tightly packed around the lines of best fit. As the values of x increases, the value of y slightly decreases, but does not resemble a straight line. Hope you all understand what is scatter graph and